Hi everyone. So today I would like to discuss with you about some really interesting resources and especially books regarding Linux kernel. So as some of you might know, I have done a lot of Linux kernel fuzzing in the past. And that's basically the book I bought at those time to deal with that. There is a lot of them that are, to be honest, not really complicated to find, even with like a good price and so on, like already used books. And I also find some really interesting content directly on like fully online, fully completely free if you need. So let's start with this one, the Linux kernel development. That's a really good one. The main reason is because it's really tiny, so it's really like a good recap and overview of all the basic concepts you will need to know regarding Linux kernel development. So you will get a bunch of detail like how to write some component and so on. You will get some piece of code to represent what you are dealing with and so on. So that's why it's really nice, and you will also understand like the concept of like basically the architecture and get the matching between the code and the architecture of the Linux kernel. So really interesting. My favorite is this one, the Linux device driver. So it's old classic. Basically, this one is like the Bible for Linux kernel driver, and it's still pretty much up to date, I will say. You have a lot of content, a really good start if you only want, for example, to focus on using, I don't know, like a driver of Android or on Linux without like dealing with the whole kernel, but just you want to focus on this type of device. That personally I will invite you to start with. That's the best way to start learning about the kernel. So really interesting. You will get a lot of detail about basically the different type of IOCTL and so on. You will get a better understanding about like what are the different way you can interact with the kernel and with those drivers. And the even better part is that you have the PDF fully available for free directly on this website. So I will put all the link in the description as usual. So you can basically just take a look at that for free. Then we have, in the same way, the understanding the Linux kernel. So the third edition, that's this one. It's a pretty huge one, as you can see. Pretty huge book. Again, really detailed, contain a lot of information. That's kind of like the Bible of the Linux kernel, to be honest. Again, if you like, for example, the first one, you will definitely like this one as well. There is a lot of content and so on. So the main issue with this one and the other one is that, I mean, even those before, is that it's still on some old version of the Linux kernel, but to be honest, the concepts are there. It's not really an issue. And with the other resources we're gonna discuss, it's gonna be even easier. So this one is really like the reference if you want to go in deep into the Linux kernel. Then we have even bigger. So I actually bought this one and I was not taking too much a look about the number of pages. As you can see, it's really, really huge. And it's like 1,300 pages. It's really, I don't know what to say. It's even more than just a Bible. In that case, you have a bit more of code, but you have a lot of graph about how it's work internally and so on. It's not just about, I would say it's not just about the Linux kernel. It's also about like OS architecture in general. You will really get like a complete overview about the different stuff, or each part are interacting with each other and so on. That's really something awesome. I don't think you will read like the 1,400 pages, but at least you can just ping pong the interesting stuff that you want to take a look. Then I listed two online resources that I find are really nice. The first one are this one, Linux Insides. The good part with that is he will tell you a bit more like about booting, initialization, and so on, but especially will give you some assembly code at the same time. So that's nice. It will allow for the one who wants to basically get like a really low level understanding about what is happening, or basically the interrupt are handling and so on. You will get some snippet of code. You will get the matching with some live stuff. So that's also really nice. And the final one, it's the Linux kernel book. So for what I saw, this one is basically created by the maintainer and the developer of the Linux kernel. You have a lot of stuff, really a lot, and the best part is basically the labs. You have a bunch of labs that are there, like kernel module, and you will get like a dummy kernel module. You will get all the command line to basically take a look, play with that, or you can compile the kernel module, some flags, unloading, loading the kernel, and so on. You basically have everything you need to know if you want to go deeper. And it's really huge. And in addition, you also have all the command line and some help to use KDB, that is the kernel debugger. And it's basically that along the training. So even for networking, for file system driver, block driver, and so on, you will basically have all you need. And in that case, it's based on the recent kernel. So that's also really nice because they are not just using like the Linux, like 2.6. They will be based on like the latest one, and in that case, yeah, 5, 10, 14. So that's for me, that's the best, maybe the best start for you if you're afraid by when there is some piece of code like this one and so on, and you are not familiar with like C, C++, and especially the Linux kernel. Yeah, definitely take a look at some other one. Maybe the first will be this one that will make sense for you. So as usual, subscribe. Let me know on the comment what you would like to see next, and see you in another video. Bye.